All right, guys, welcome back to another Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about merengue and how to move your arms when you're dancing solo, okay? So if you haven't seen the salsa one, it's exactly the same, just with the salsa steps, but we're going to do it in each dance just in case that's what you're looking for. So we're all going to start out with our elbows just engaged up, and then we're going to turn them slightly out. So you're going to think like you're holding a baby, but then what we're going to do is just put one arm in and switch. So it's almost like we're switching each time like this. My hands, I want them to be in a soft fist. So it doesn't mean to be squeezing, but we don't want the dead fish hands. Nobody likes that. So we're having this motion here, okay? So what we're gonna do is every time we place a step, we're gonna use that elbow going out. And then we take another step and we move that elbow out while the other one just naturally comes in. So it goes step and move, step and move. So if I did this to the back so you can kind of see, if we just march in place like one of our merengue basics, we're gonna go right arm, right leg, left arm, left leg. Switch and switch. My arms are flexible, relaxed, but just slightly toned so they're not flopping around. And anytime we take a step in merengue, we're gonna keep this moving. So the good thing about merengue is it's always switching feet. So it's pretty easy for beginners and to get this kind of arm motion comfortable. So even if we turn by ourselves in place, we keep those arms moving to the side. And if you wanted to go to the other side, same thing. So these arms are pretty consistent, especially in the merengue because we have that constant march, march, march throughout, okay? I hope this helped you. Have fun learning your merengue steps. And if you haven't yet, check out all of our partner merengue steps. We have those up for you below. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.